if this is going to feed back or not. Yeah, not too bad. Sometimes it'll like make an endless echo because the mic picks it up. But yeah, so what are you going to go by out here? Just your old handle?
Yeah. I'm sharpening the knives. They know what's coming.
Okay. Just checking. Just checking.
You know, there's like no sense in avoiding it.
Yeah. I was just checking. I wasn't sure what you were going to go by or not.
Hello there. Channel 6. Hello, Mod Squad. Dr. Audio in the street of Oregon reading the mail. Hello, 202. Take out Mod Squad. Have a good one. Aloha.
Hello, Mod Squad. Oh, Mod Squad, Dominator waving a 4-1 your way with this bear radio.
Now.
Hello, Mod Squad. Good evening, Mod Squad, Dominator around Oregon with the 4-1. He gone. I gotta fix this switch, this key up switch.
Yeah, check. No more squeal, huh? No more squeal, nothing, huh?
Yeah, no more squeal. Yeah, on Cherry.
Okay, wait, let me knock off. Yes, sir. Hello. Oh, yeah, just the driver now.
So, yeah. We'll have to be out here tag teaming them.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. We'll call him Mod Squad. Yeah, come on down. Yeah. Only putting out 10 watts. Yeah, little logo top.
Bird or peak? That has to be bird, 'cause I think that radio does 40 or 50 peak, I think.
Well, I checked it for it. It ain't nothing. It's only 10 coming out for it. Hey, 202, you take it.
Peak?
Hello. Yeah, I only got a watt coming back.
You have the variable power all the way up?
No.
Oh, well, crank that shit up. It'll dead key 10 watts and probably swing 40 or 50.
Hello. Audio 1, 2, 3.
Signal's about the same, but you sound a little like you're making it above the noise floor a little better.
That's yeah.
I'm recording it, so we'll see what the difference is. I think I think before you were just swinging to 8, now you're swinging past the 8.
Roger. Audio 1, 2, 3. Aloha.
Yeah, that radio is literally stuck. I think I might have just turned the ALC up a little bit. That's it.
Radio is gone. Hello, right back. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Hello, Mod Squad. Dr. Audio, Northwest Corner, reading the mail. Bye, CC. You take it, man. I got you in there. Take it, CC. Mod Squad, Honolulu, right back. Aloha. Hey, Mod Squad. Tell CC Dr. Audio says hello. Pass the message. Dr. Audio out. Right back, 202. Have a good one, 202, man. I'm just messing with a Cobra 29 right now. I'm messing with a Cobra 29. Just hooked it up just to check it out. Have a good one, Mod Squad. Right back. All right, 202, you take it out. You guys all have a good one. Mod Squad Mobile cruising in Honolulu. Hey, Mod Squad, break. Hello, Mod Squad, Doc Audio, and that's Northwest Corner, reading the mail. Looking for you, nice and good copy on you. Take it, 202, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Hey, Mod Squad, Honolulu, down there by Haleiwa. Doc Audio in the state of Oregon, reading the mail. Contact, aloha. The meter says red.
Red?
Yeah.
What do you mean it says red?
There's mismatch between the radio and the sampler.
Oh, yeah. Yep, I know all about that. I had that problem with, so I never paid attention before. I always just cut my jumpers so they were a halfway length, like between the radio and the first box and then the other box. But I never really paid attention to what it affected on the impedance between each one, and it really affects it.
Oh, yeah. That was the thing with the 32. Once you got that impedance match between it and the driver, and then the driver and the radio, you could do whatever you want as long as you didn't push the voltage too high.
Yeah. Yep. I learned with the too high a voltage as well. That only took me one time. And then one time I forgot to put the right antenna on and had the right around antenna on, and first key up it went pop.
Ouch.
Yeah, I remember that was a few years, like, what was that, 15 years ago? I think I called you when I was up on the hill.
Yeah. I remember sitting on that hill and controlling everything all the way down I-5.
the good old days.
Well, I'm not going to be on here every day, but I'll come out to play for a little while.
Oh, yeah. Oop. I'm not out here every day. I'm hardly actually on this thing during the week. Once in a while, I'll turn it on, or I'll turn it on just to let it record while I'm at work or whatever. But yeah, no, I'm not on it like I used to be. Remember, it was life, but not anymore. Pretty much just use it traveling now. Really, that's what most of my radios get used for, is traveling. But I want to get the house set up to drop a hammer on a duck's ass, let me tell you.
Well, I got lots of hammers.
More hammers than Pump House Jesse? Because he had a lot of hammers.
Yeah, well, problem with Jesse was he didn't have all the hammers.
Yeah, he was kind of stuck to them ball peen hammers.
Yeah, he didn't want to smash your face in. He just wanted to take your teeth out.
Yeah, pretty much, and just let me know that he could still key on me.
Yeah, well, some people have to pick on who they can.
Oh, I know. I had the person I used to pick on, Mr. Mount Scott.
Oh, well, yeah, I'm sure he's not around.
Yeah, definitely not. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Remember when you pissed Johnny B. Good off? That was kind of funny. That went on for a while.
Yeah, well, just like I said, soon they won't be around.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot of people around here anymore. Buzzard, that's about it. And then Dirty Sanchez is out here now on the bull. He gets out good.
Yeah, I think I heard that name called today.
Yeah, he was on the radio back in the day, but I think he was on Channel 17 back then.
I never remember Dirty Sanchez from back then.
I think you would. It was back when, who else was out there? There was, who was that other guy? Dragon? I remember he used to come over to your place. I think it was back in those days. Maybe a little later than that, I don't know.
So, I got my boom.
Oh, you did? Oh, that's right. I was going to send you the, I had to look up the specs for that. I'll do that when I'm sitting on the throne. I'll find it and send it to you.
Roger.
What am I hitting you at over there?
Solid 9 plus.
7? Man, I'm a mud duck.
Hang on.
Nah, it's all good. I'm not worried about. Oh, that's right. You're on the dipole. That's right. Never mind. I forgot about that.
1 2 1 2 coconut in a mini breaker.
if I hook up a regular radio, I'll actually get out a little bit better than this thing. But I don't know. I like using this. Sometimes it's kind of a pain in the butt.